Good morning, children. Some more paragraphs from the lesson Landscape of the Soul by Nathalie Troveroy. Troveroy. Children, in my last class, I told you about a blacksmith. That blacksmith had fallen in love with a girl, and that girl was the daughter of a painter. But that painter did not want his daughter to marry a blacksmith. He was against this marriage. But Quentin Matsys, the blacksmith, wanted to marry the girl of his choice at all costs. He was bent upon marrying that girl. So he devised a technique. One day he entered the studio belonging to the painter. One day he entered the studio belonging to a painter. There he saw a panel. What is a panel? A rigid support or surface for painting on. He saw a panel, and on that panel he painted a fly with delicate realism. In my last class, I told you the meaning of this expression, delicate realism. Once again, I want to tell you, delicate realism refers to the quality of art that makes it seem real. When the painter, the father of that girl, entered the studio, he found a fly on his panel. He took it to be a real fly. He thought that it was a real fly. He immediately took a flat object to hit the fly with. But for that word we had used the word swat, if you remember, swat. To hit something, especially an insect, with something flat. But later on, the painter realized his mistake. The girl's father realized his mistake. He was so impressed by the art shown by Quentin Matsys that he immediately allowed him to enter his studio as an apprentice. Now, who is an apprentice? An apprentice is a person who works for low pay. An apprentice is a person who works for low pay in order to learn the skills needed in a particular job. An apprentice is a person who works for low pay in order to learn the skills needed in a particular job. Thus, Quentin Matsys got an opportunity to marry the girl of his choice. And after his marriage, he went on to become one of the most famous painters of his age. He became a renowned painter of his age. What technique had he used? He had used the technique of delicate realism to impress the father of that girl, and he was successful. These two stories illustrate what each form of art is trying to achieve. Children, I have explained two stories. Each of these two stories is trying to show a purpose, is trying to achieve something. A perfect illusionistic likeness in Europe. In Europe, this story, one of these stories, what does it show? In Europe, it shows a perfect illusionistic likeness. Illusionistic likeness means what? Technique of using pictorial methods in order to deceive the eye. Technique of using pictorial methods in order to deceive the eye. In Europe, it shows illusionistic likeness. But in Asia, what does it show? What does one of the stories show? The essence of inner life and spirit in Asia. The main point the main element of inner life and spirit in Asia. In the Chinese story, the emperor commissions a painting and appreciates its outer appearance. In the Chinese story, what happens? The emperor has the emperor had asked an artist to do a piece of work. Commission means to ask an artist, writer, etc. to do a piece of work. In the Chinese story, what did you find, children? The emperor has asked an artist to make a painting and appreciates its outer appearance. The emperor who is standing before the painting is unable to go inside the depth of the painting. He is only impressed by the external appearance that is in front of his eyes. But the motive of the artist was quite different. But the artist reveals to him the true meaning of his work. But the artist who had made that painting presents before the king the true meaning of his work of art, true meaning of his work. The emperor may rule over the territory he has conquered, but only the artist knows the way within. What is the work of an emperor? He gets victory over a territory and he can rule that territory. But only the artist knows how to enter the territory in the field of his art. Here the Chinese painter wanted the king to understand the inner essence, the inner element, the inner life, essence of inner life, which the emperor was unable to understand. But only the artist knows the way within. Only the artist has a capacity to know how to enter a piece of art. Let me show the word, the Dao, a word that means both the path or the method. There is a word in China, that word is Dao, D-A-O, Dao. That word is Dao. And the meaning of that word is let me show the way. Let me show the way. It a word that means both the path or the method. It also means path, or it also means a method. And the mysterious works of the universe. This word also shows the mysterious works of the universe. Our universe is full of mysterious works. Those mysterious works an artist tries to paint sometimes in his artwork, in his work of art. The painting is gone, but the artist had reached his goal. The painting is gone, but the artist has reached his goal. There is no painting now. The painting has disappeared. The painter has also disappeared. But the painter has got what he had wanted to get. He wanted to transcend, surpass any material appearance. He wanted to surpass any material appearance, and he was successful in transcending any material appearance with the help of his art. In his art also you can see the king failed, but the artist did not fail. He wanted to show to the emperor the true meaning of his work, and he was successful. Thank you, children.